Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to create a eBay bill from a stock transfer. So I'll show you how to create a stock transfer document. So for that, you can go to all modules, inventory. So under actions, you will be have an option of stock transfer. So you can select the from and to store and also the item name for which you're going to transfer your goods. So once adding all these details, you can save the document. So while saving, you will be asking a notification like whether you want to create the stock transfer delivery channel. If you select yes create, so automatically a delivery channel will be created against the stock transfer document. So you can check it in stock movement tab. So you can see this is the stock transfer DC which is already created. So this the DC against the stock transfer which we have done now. So at last you can see there is an option of generate e-way bill. So from here, if you want to generate a e-way bill against the stock transfer means you can select this option generate e-way bill and you can generate it. Make sure before creating e-way bill, GST API setup need to be done in Transact. I hope this video finds helpful for you. Thank you.